Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious mousse at home. We will begin by gathering all our ingredients, ensuring they are at the correct temperatures. Next, we will create a rich, stable chocolate base, which is the heart of any great mousse. Then, we will focus on incorporating air through carefully whipped egg whites or heavy cream. Finally, we will gently combine these elements to achieve that signature light and airy texture, ready for chilling and enjoying. To begin our mousse, we first create the foundational chocolate base. Gently melt about 6 ounces of your favorite dark chocolate over a double boiler, ensuring it's smooth and lump-free. In a separate bowl, whisk 3 large egg yolks with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes light and pale. Then, slowly drizzle the warm, melted chocolate into the egg yolk mixture while continuously whisking, tempering the eggs and creating a stable, glossy base. Now, let's introduce that signature lightness. Take your 3 reserved egg whites and whip them until they form stiff, glossy peaks. In another clean bowl, whip 1 cup of cold, heavy cream until it reaches soft, billowy peaks. Begin by gently folding about 1/3 of the whipped egg whites into your chocolate base to lighten it. Then, carefully fold in the remaining egg whites and the whipped cream, being mindful not to deflate the air. The final steps are crucial for perfect mousse. Carefully spoon your airy chocolate mixture into individual serving dishes or elegant glasses. Cover each dish loosely with plastic wrap to prevent any skin from forming on the surface. Transfer them to the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, allowing the mousse to set beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish with fresh berries, a dusting of cocoa powder, or delicate chocolate shavings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.